Alright, let's go over these problems. The first problem here, there is containers, has marbles, 6 blue, 5 green, and 4 red. If 2 marbles are drawn at random without replacement, what is the probability that both are green? Give it a try. Alright, let's go over it. I hope you give it a try. What is a probability? Probability is a favorable outcome over all the outcome. What is the total number of marbles? I have a 6 blue, 5 green, and 4, so that add up to 15. The total is 15. So the probability of choosing the first one green, it will be probability equal how many green? 5. 5 over 15. But we're going to choose another one. And what is the probability of the second one to be a green? It will be how many green left? 4. And what is the total? 14. So multiply by 4 over 14. And when you simplify that, that is 1/3 multiplied by 2/7. So the answer should be 2 over 21. 2 over 21. For the next one, there the volume. Yeah, for this next one here, the volume of rectangular prism with length 5 feet, width 4 feet, and height 7 feet is, okay, so we should know what is the volume of the rectangular prism. The volume equal to the length times the width times the height, because this is 3 dimension. So you multiply the length, which is 5, times 4, width times the height, which is 7, and that will be 140. Is that correct? Yes. And the unit, it will be cubic feet. So the answer is C. Here is number 3. You can stop the video and try it yourself. For number 3, solve for x. This is equation, absolute value of 2x minus 7 equal to 5. So we know the absolute value always positive. So that expression 2x minus 7 could be equal to 5 or could be equal to negative 5. So we have two equations in this case. If I have the absolute value of 2x minus 7 equal to 5, so that means 2x minus 7 equal to 5, or 2x minus 7 equal to negative 5. Right? So we're going to work with these two equations. So for the one on the left, we're going to add 7 to both sides. So 2x equal to 12. So x equal to 6 if I divide both sides by 2. And on the right side, I'm going to add 7 to both sides. So 2x equal to 12. Divide both sides by 2. So x equal to 6. Wait a second. I'm still have... Alright, I'm sorry. This is negative 5. So it doesn't see here is a negative 5. So if I add 7 to both sides, that will be what? It will be 2, right? If I add 7 to both sides, that will be 2. So I have 2x equal to 2, so x equal to 1. So our answer is 1 or 6, which is the first choice. And for the last one here, number 4, you can give it a try. So for this one, they said an $80 item is discounted by 3%, and then a sales tax of 8% is applied to the discounted price. What is the final price? Okay, the final price will be the $80 multiply, if we have 30% discount, so that means we're going to pay just 70%. Multiply by 70%, 70 over 100, 0.7, 70%, plus you're going to pay taxes on this amount. So it will be 80 times 0.70 multiplied by 8%. 8%, which is 8 over 100, 0.008, and which you can do it in one step actually, because you have 80 times 0.7, 80 times 0.7, if you factor it, so you have 80 times 0.7 multiplied by what? Open other parentheses. From here you're going to get 1, and from here you're going to get 0.08, which is 1.08. And if you use your calculator and multiply all these three numbers together, that should give you 60.48, and that is choice C. And I think that's it. This is the last one. Okay.